Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm going to show you Stonewater. It's a community in Cape Coral built by Horton. Okay, let's go. Over here to the right, you can see they're working on the clubhouse in the pool area. Okay. I have done a couple of videos in this community when there was nothing here, so if you would like to take a look at that, I'm going to put the links below in the description. So you can really see how this place has grown in a couple months. So now let's go take a look at it. As you can see, finally we got one house that is almost completed. It's painted and everything. So remember, I'm going to be going inside these homes as soon as they give me the clearance so I could do videos on the different floor plans. So feel free to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see all these different floor plans that Horton's going to offer in this Stonewater community in Cape Coral, okay? So as you can see, there's some of them are sold already and some of them are still available. As you can see, this one's sold. And this side sold, available. I think these homes are gonna be completed, this area here, for what I heard, probably coming to the end of June or middle of June. Some of them are gonna starting to complete. So what I'm gonna do is, remember, I'm gonna go in and ask permission to film all these floor plans for you guys, so that way you can get to see all the floor plans that are gonna be available in this Stonewater community. Check out that two-story is available. If you would like to see the prices on these properties, there's a link below that I'm putting on, that everything that's available, it should come up there and you'll be able to see, what's, the floor plan and more information. So click on the link below I'm gonna put, that'll take you directly to everything they have available here so you can take a closer look. Okay, so let me keep going. Oop, big truck. So as you can see, it's moving quite along. A lot of solds. What makes this community very nice is that most of the properties, they have a nice, beautiful lake behind it. It's located in the northwest part of the Cape, close to high school. And middle school, and I think even an elementary, they're all in together. Okay, take a look. I mean, if you compare this to my previous videos that I did probably like 2 or 3 months ago, that's a lot of homes already being, built. And as you can see, them all at the same stage. So when they're going to start releasing them, they're all going to go one after the other. So, but there's also a lot of sold. So let me see if I could show you the lakes behind it, because before, when I did a couple first videos, there was plenty of space for you to see the lakes. Okay, here you go. See the lake? There's still a lot of more area available for construction here, as you can see. Let me make a turn here. Tell me what you think. Today it's a beautiful day. It's 85 degrees. So A lot of going on. Check out from the back. Check out the size of this house. This is a big one. So over here. See, there's a lot more going on. There's going to be more going on over this side. Whether planning to finish this first and then continue going that way, most likely. So, you know, there's a lot of sold homes, but there's still a lot available. So, if you like to see more about this community, feel free to go on that link in the description below, and I'll give you all the prices of what's available. And you'll also have pictures of the floor plans. So. And remember, as soon as getting to these homes are completed, I'm gonna do a video on all the different floor plans that they have, okay? So hit that subscribe button, and as soon as it happens, you'll be the first one to see it. So remember, if you are thinking about buying in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I has been selling real estate in Cape Coral, Fort Myers for over 20 years, so we can help you out. So feel free to contact us. I know now school is going to be over in a lot of states in the north, and a lot of you guys are going to come down here and buy homes. So make sure to, if you're thinking about moving here, please feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. Thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed this short video of Stonewater. And I'll hope to see you on the next video. Thank you very much for watching.